Hello guys, there's a quick trade that I want us to look at right now, and this is on Litecoin. I'm on the 15-minute time frame and 5-minute time frame. And this trade, I'm looking at these indicators here that I discovered or I created recently using ChatGTP, and I want to see with you guys how accurate this indicator is in terms of me taking trade. You can see here I have two indicators here that are showing me different direction of the market. I have this moving average, volume, divergence, support and resistance strategy. I have also this one, close 14 1 2 normal BTC USDT 8 USDT BNB. So I use these two indicators to help me know when to buy and when to sell. And right now, I'm looking at the charts, and I think I'm gonna take place a buy order, but not yet. I'm now looking at the 15-minute time frame, and the conditions that I'm gonna use to place this trade is I'm looking at the stochastics and also this indicator like this buy and sell indicators here. Now this yeah, I have a buy signal here, but I don't have yet a sell signal yet, but I can see that the market is in a downtrend because we have seen a pump here to the upside, and now we are seeing some retracement. And if say the price retrace back to the 20-day moving average, we might see a bounce back to retest, let's say to retest the highs, like the swing high. Now let me bring this nine day moving average. I can see that the price is below 9-day moving average, and that signal to me a reversal, because when you look at this level, you can see here that the price was above the 9-day moving average. So right now I want to see price bounce this at this, like with this yellow moving average here is 21-day moving average. So you can see here on the 15-minute price touched this already. Not really that not really accurate, but I can see that price have touched this 21-day moving average. Now if I look at the stochastics, I can see that the stochastics is still showing downward, like it's going to the downside on the 15-minute time frame. Now I have to wait until the stochastics get to this level where you can see here there's this overbought and oversold area of the stochastic here. You can see from the on the 15-minute time frame, you can see it has been moving like sideways here, and now it has broken this oversold area that people call it, but to me, or for me, I call it resistance. Now I want to see these stochastics come right to touch this support, this yellow line that I draw here down. So when it touches it, then I am gonna be rest assured that at this point in time I'm gonna place that order. So I'm just gonna wait, price is moving around, price is going up and down. I don't know how long this will take, but I'm gonna wait until I'm able to place this order so you guys can see. But if say I'm not able to place the order during this video, you guys can get the idea what I am doing here or what I'm trying to do here, and I have to make sure that my conditions are met before I can place this trade. Now you can see price has been moving sideways on the 50-minute time frame. You can see here, and boom, we saw a buy signal here, and ever since that signal was shown, price started going up, and price was moving around the support, around the support line. This line here, this green line here, this is a support line, and the red line in between is the 200-day moving average. So whenever you see price above the 200-day moving average, then you want to place a buy order on the 15-minute time frame. But when you see price below that level, then you want to start looking at sell order or to take a sell order. Now I'm just gonna wait a little bit to see what will happen with this chart. As you can see, it's still struggling to like giving false signal as if you wanna go up, but as of now I think it's gonna make a way right downward. And the reason why I think we're going to see a pullback from this price point is because the 50-day moving average is still right far. You can see this is the 50-day moving average is still far away. So I don't think price is going to break yet to that level. So I'm going to wait a little bit to see what will happen. Again, we are on the 15-minute time frame. But if say I zoom, on a higher time frame, I can see that price has already broken this structure here, guys. Let me take out this here first. you can see there is a structure here that price has broken already, and this is a sign to me, for me, that okay, we're gonna see a retracement back to this next level here, on the hourly time frame. And on the hourly time frame, you can see also that the stochastics is, at the overbought price point, right? Which is the overbought price point here. So it's making its way down to the oversold, which is let me say, I call it support, right? So price is gonna come right down here to an extent to test this, to retest this zone here. But where I think I might see price go towards is this area here. I think we might see price go to this area here before I can now place a real buy order, right? If you're gonna watch this and price haven't gotten to this level, then you want to start looking at this level as a possible level to place a buy order back to the upside for Litecoin, right? And guys, you can do this with any coin out there, not only Litecoin. I just wanted to show you guys with this, using Litecoin, because it's coin that I'm trading at this point in time. I've closed a trade at this level because I saw that the stochastics were on the hourly time frame was at this level that I mentioned, and I had to sell it because I know soon we're gonna see a retracement. And when we see a retracement, then I want to buy back again. Now let's go back to the lower time frame. Now what I mentioned to you guys is playing out. You can see price is going back to the upside, and when price touch the 9-day moving average, we're gonna see the price will either go up or down. But I'm expecting the price to go down, and I would have bought this at on the 5-minute time frame, as I mentioned to you guys, and I would have made quick. Let's say if I used 50x, I would have made like, let's say 10% of it, because I look at these different levels here and it tells me, okay, now I can buy. But you can see here, on the 1 minute, on the 5-minute time frame, the stochastic is making its way right up, like it's going back up. And I think because I missed this, I'm gonna wait until the stochastic goes back to the oversold, or yeah, the oversold area, this area here, the top, which is the resistance. Let me call it the resistance. So guys, I don't want to make this video to be too long. I'm gonna maybe share a screenshot with you guys in the group or on my YouTube, so you guys can see how this trade play out. But I believe you guys got the idea of what I'm trying to show here, or what I want you guys to learn from this, and hope you guys learned something from this video. And if you did learn something from this video, make sure you smash the subscribe button right now, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. Bye bye guys, have a nice